everyone, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, but if you are a oldie but a goodie, welcome my babies. So as you guys can already read from the title, I will be doing a wig install for you guys today, and this wig install is sponsored by Samsbeauty.com. So this is a different unit. You know, I'm used to doing Outre, sensational, equal, shake and go, whatever, but this is from Alihair's. Okay, so this is from Alihair's. This is 100% human hair, and it is a 16-inch unit. Okay, so let me get the card. I'm gonna get a card first, and then I get into the unit itself. Okay, so this is absolute luxury upscale 100% virgin Remy human hair. It's in the style 7x5 closure wig, layered blowout with curtain bangs, 16-inch, and it's in the color natural. Okay, so this is her. Hold on, because a roller came in it and I accidentally pulled out the roller, so I'm gonna have to see if I can fix that. Okay, so this is how it came. The roller in the front holding the curtain bangs, and this is the unit. When I tell y'all that thing is so full, it is so full, it feels so good. Y'all see how that hair is just falling like it's nothing? Yeah, that is amazing. It comes with a small amount of lace in the front. It has a small amount of lace in the front, but it's made glueless. Okay, so you can decide not to glue it down, but y'all know me, I'm always gonna glue it down. So this is the lace. Hold on, that's the okay, let me do it this way. This is the lace in the front. You see that? Okay, so that's the lace in the front. It does okay, I was gonna say it does not come with combs, but I'd be lying. It comes with 2 combs in the side, an adjustable band, as you can clearly see there. It does not come with adjustable straps, just the adjustable band, and of course a comb in the back. So I don't personally anticipate this to be a very long install, since, you know, it doesn't have much to do. And then there is the lace in the middle, like the parting space here. That is so gorgeous. And this is the unit with the curlers out. See that? Really nice. I'm gonna try to put these up while I install the unit, and then I'll put them back down probably in the end, because I'm not gonna need them right now for sure. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be my first time installing a curtain bang unit, I feel like. So I don't even know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm sure it's gonna be fine. There's nothing much to a curtain bang unit anyway, so yeah, let me just start the install. Once again, if you're not used to the way that I install my units, I will drop my wig playlist in the description of this video so you guys can go take a peek. Okay, I don't do the most, I learn from what I see, and that's what I do basically. So let's get into the install, and of course the link to everything will be in the description of this video. So you need the wig, the link will be down below. Save me now.